In this video, we are going to cover the top 5 skills every remote worker needs in 2026. Let's dive in. Want to work remotely in 2026? Discover the top 5 skills every remote worker needs to land high-paying jobs. Work from anywhere and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're new to remote work or looking to level up, these skills will make you irresistible to employers. Hi everyone, if you're new here, my name is Salwa. I've been working remotely for the past 8 years, and today I teach freedom seekers how to make money online so they can work from anywhere. And this is Mustafet, everybody. Just playing with my hair. So if you want to work from anywhere, you will need a little bit more than just a laptop and Wi-Fi. I'm breaking down the 5 skills you need whether you want to work as a freelancer or start your own online business. Number 1 on my list is digital communication and collaboration, aka working with teams. If you work in digital marketing, for example, you will oftentimes work with the VA, the marketing department, the sales department, so you need to be able to communicate clearly and efficiently with the team. You will need to be able to work with platforms like Notion, Trello, Monday.com, Slack, and more. So it's very important that you show in your resume or whenever you get hired remotely that you have those communication skills. The next one, and honestly this one is a hard one, is time management and discipline, especially as a freelancer, I would say, because when I worked... Stop playing. No, leave that alone. When I worked as a digital nomad and I traveled for 5 years full-time working online, it was very hard to take this routine with me everywhere, and so it takes time, but you gotta be disciplined. You have to have your routine or your morning routine, and you really have to be disciplined to get the job done. So employers love people who can get the job done without being micromanaged. And honestly, I hate that too. If I work with a client and they micromanage me, I don't like it. I don't work well like that. And it's a plus if you know how to be disciplined and get the work done on time. It's really an amazing skill to have. The tools you would need when working remotely would be anything from task manager app, you have calendar apps, and the Pomodoro technique. I use the Pomodoro technique as well. I set up the timer to 50 minutes, 50. Focus, batch work, completely remove all distraction, like today for example, and then I get up for 10 minutes. So either go to the bathroom, walk, stretch, get some water. And to me, when I discovered that Pomodoro technique, it was really good for me. There's an app actually called the Pomodoro app, and you set it up and then it'll tell you, okay, break time, it's time to get up and get work done. And they can even put your phone on remove notifications so you can be really focused on your work. By the way, I have a whole video about routines and how to find the best time, the time where you're the most productive. I know there's some books out there. There's also, it's called the biological time, I think. And basically it teaches you, there's tests online as well, it teaches you to figure out when are you the most productive. And for a long time, and I still am, I love working at night. When everybody's asleep, this is my time to shine. So for example, right now, I'm having a friend that's visiting from Europe here in Mexico. And when he goes to bed around 9, like go to bed early, I work till 2 in the morning easily, and I have like 5 hours of full productivity. I'm really getting work done at night. Even here in the studio, I bought a light because I know that at night, this is the time where I get the most of my work done. I'm not so much of a morning person. The good thing is if you are abroad and if you're like me, you working on opposite hours, you stay up late and then the client gets all the work done in the morning. Including my VAs in India, she works when I'm asleep and then I get up, I get all the work, so I send them back. So to me, it works perfectly. So figure out when you are the best, most productive, and this will really help you get a lot done on time. The next skill I have for you is to be open to continuously learn new skills, develop yourself, be on top of your game. Right now we are in the AI era. It's starting. Get on it, learn as much as you can, and implement this into your work, whether you work for yourself or for a client. Remote work evolves fast. There are new tools, new processes, and new roles. Be on top of that. Keep learning so you won't be left behind. Number 4 is technical skills.
Relevant.
Technical skills relevant to your role. So whatever your position is, look for new skills you can adapt. So it's a little bit like continuously learning, but this is more focusing on the technical part. So what I do when I work for myself, sometimes I hit a snag and I'm like, okay, how do I do this? I don't know. So I have 2 options. In my case, I can either go on a YouTube tutorial or look for it online and really learn it, or a hire. So if it's gonna take me more time, like right now, for example, I have a video where I have some mascara that's falling down my eye. And I'm like, oh my God, I didn't see this because I used the back-end camera. So I completely didn't notice. So first what I do, I go online and I was like, how do I remove this on a video? They tell me, oh, you can do this on CapCut. I spend at least 30 minutes, if not more, trying to figure out how can I find this brush tool, blah, blah, blah. But this is not my thing. I'm not an editor. I don't know. So the next thing I did is I went on Fiverr and I find somebody who can work with Photoshop, send them the video, pay him. Boom, it's done, you know. But depending on where you are, if you're working for a company, there might be some stuff you need to know and you don't want to ask them. So take the initiative to learn them for your role. Not only will help you, plus it's a good thing to know next time if you have the same issue. Number 5 is problem solving. So it's a little bit connected to what I just said. Employers love when there's a problem and you figured it out.
You could fix this, right?
They'd be like, okay, this is the snag, this is the problem we had, but don't worry, I figured it out. Take initiative, solve the problem. They love it. They don't need more stress. They're already dealing with so much. First of all, they love this. They love when you be like, wow, we had this issue and so got it done. Example would be automating tasks, improving workflow, suggesting ideas in team meetings. Innovate. Tell them, hey, I suggest we do this. This will save us time. And if it saves us time, it would save us money. I mean, to the business owner, they love that. So let's do a quick recap. The top skills you need as a remote worker in 2025 and 2026 and beyond are digital communication and collaboration, time management and self-discipline, adaptability and continuous learning, technical skills relevant to your role, and problem-solving proactivity. If you master these skills, honestly, it took me years, and honestly, nobody was telling me what to do, so I had to figure out trial and error. But if you master these skills, you will find a remote job or even level up in your current one. And if you want to learn more about how to earn an income online, I have a freebie. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap, and that will teach you all the benchmark and everything you need to get started to start making money online. I'm also launching a membership so I can teach you everything I know so you too can dominate in 2026 and earn an income online. Simply comment membership and I'll send you the info. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section down below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll say bye-bye from Mexico, and Mustafa will say bye-bye too. Bye!